it for my twisting video. This is just a quick video showing you how I retwist my hair. It's been a few days and I basically just needed to retwist my hair because it was a mess. I put in the original twists with just leave-in conditioner because I ran out of my flaxseed gel. So I just retwisted with my cocoa butter, shea butter, and flaxseed oil whipped body / hair butter. And then what I sprayed on my hair was rose water and tap water mix. I find that this butter helps my twists last longer or look better for a longer time. And then at some point I'm gonna do a twist out for a few days, and I do this maybe every 2 weeks. I twist up my hair for the week just to give it a break from the wash and goes. But yeah, and you may have noticed that this part of my hair is really long compared to the back, but that's because it's cut like this. So the back is really short, but it's kind of growing out since I cut it in November. Oh yeah, and then I smooth my edges with the leftover product on my hand. And the last thing I'm gonna do is just tie everything down with a scarf before I sleep. But I'm not gonna do it now because it's gonna flatten the twist. So I'm gonna wait for the twist to dry, and then I'll put a scarf on my head just to kind of set everything into place before I go to bed. But that's basically it for my video. Thanks so much for watching, everyone who's watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Remember to give a thumbs up, subscribe if you want to, and I'll see you in my next video.